Mr. President, sa panahon ngayon na ang daming kaguluhan sa mundo at watak-watak ang bansa dahil sa magulong politika, and at least for a few hours during the last few nights, nagkaisa po ang mga Pilipino. Filipinos from all walks of life watch every serve, every rally, and every match point, and every winning moment that brought many Filipinos to tears. Truly, Alex Ayala makes us proud to be Filipinos again. Today, Filipinos, young and old, see new possibilities because of Alex. In fact, her influence reaches far beyond the tennis court. Masasabi po natin ang mga tagumpay niya ay naging susi para sa muling pag-usbong ng racket sports sa bansa. Across the country, we are seeing more Filipinos pick up racket, enroll in tennis clinics, and visit sports facilities. Yung hindi na po kaya maglaro ng tennis, pickleball na po ang uso ngayon. Even the growing popularity of pickleball, paddle, badminton, and other racket sports is likely to benefit from the excitement generated by Alex's historic achievements. When Filipinos succeed on the world stage, they create a ripple effect that extends far beyond medals and championships. They inspire children and families. This is what sports does. It unites and inspires. As chairperson of the Senate Committee on Sports, I firmly believe that Alex's historic victory should inspire us to further strengthen grassroots sports programs and ensure that every talented Filipino athlete is given the opportunity to succeed. Maraming salamat rin po sa pribadong sektor na tumutulong rin po sa ating mga atleta. Pag nagtulungan po ang pribado at ang gobyerno, malayong-malayo po ang mararating ng ating mga atleta. Kinikilala po natin ang mahalagang papel na ginagampanan ng sports sa ating lipunan dahil naniniwala po ako na ito ay isang mabisang paraan para mailayo ang ating mga kabataan sa masasamang elemento, katulad ng illegal na droga. At gaya po ng parati kong sinasabi, get into sports, stay away from drugs to keep us healthy and fit. Again, we extend our warmest congratulations to Alexandra, Alex Ayala, her family, her coaches, the Philippine tennis community, the Philippine Tennis Association led by its president, Congressman Eric Olivares, and Secretary General Mayor John Ray Tiangco, and everyone who has supported her remarkable journey. And of course, sa ating Philippine Sports Commission led by Chairperson Patrick Pato Gregorio. May her and lahat po ng commissioners, ang lahat ng empleyado ng PSC, salamat rin po sa inyo. May her story continue to inspire generations of Filipinos to dream boldly, work tirelessly, and proudly raise the Philippine flag in every arena of the world. And may I add, suportahan at abangan pa natin si Alex sa Toronto Open. Good luck po kay Alex Ayala. Kaya maraming salamat po sa ating mga kababayan na patuloy na sumusuporta kay Alex.